Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here, coming to you from a unusual location. I'm actually in the cab of the Jeep today. Uh, I shot a video earlier today, and I chatted the entire time, and I went through what I was doing, and so I rewired the electric fuel pump, which is needed to happen for a couple of weeks. The truck actually hasn't been running for the last couple of weeks because I hadn't been able to find time to rewire it. Today I found the time, and I took about 20 or 30 minutes, and I went outside, and I set up my little bitty tripod, and I got a good angle, and everything looked great, and I started filming, and I think everything was really good, and the shots were really good. I actually showed you guys what I was doing, and the tools I was using, and everything. And being Arizona, my phone overheated. And so when the phones overheat, they shut off and you lose everything. Like, it doesn't save what you were doing, and then shut off. It just shuts off and you lose everything. So I took some pictures after I was done, after I realized what happened. So if you know what the mess, like what the positive wire looked like, which was a total mess, and then the fact that once I moved the pump and I actually mounted it properly to where it's not shaking and shimmying all over the place, because it was kind of a mess. I mean, it was done just in a QT parking lot because I needed to get it home. The positive wire was a mess, and then the pump wasn't attached to anything. It was just kind of sitting in a mount for the old pump, which was that crappy Amazon one. And so when I mounted it properly and I drilled the holes, the negative wire, the ground wire, didn't reach where I had it grounded, and I couldn't find a proper place where the wire would reach. So I spliced the wire and added a new section in, and to reground, I fixed the positive wire, and it looks really nice now. And so this is just a little snippet to let you know what I did today. Oh, and I also I cut some of the extra fuel line that was on the fuel pump off with a nice hose cutter that I have. And so that's all flush and nice and doesn't look like it was chewed off with somebody's teeth. And so I'm going to put up a couple pictures at the end of this that show what I did today, since I don't have the video. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I enjoy the shares and the likes and the subscribes, and anything you guys want to comment on or say in the comments, go for it. I love answering questions. And oh, so here's something really cool. I will put this in the pictures at the end too. I got to make a pen by hand yesterday on a wood lathe out of cherry wood. It was really cool. I've never worked with a lathe before. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Let's see what time it is. And the pen is amazing. My buddy Jacob actually makes these. We actually talked about making a custom shifter knob for the truck. So if we can make that happen, it's going to be really, really cool. I'm very excited. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, bye.